Well, the next time you go to the hospital, you might come across this pint-sized robot roaming the halls. Channel 9's Raquel Asa met the robot and found out how she's helping healthcare.
She's only 2 feet tall, but she has a great memory. In fact, she remembers every patient she has ever met in an exam room.
Hello there.
This is Betty.
It's nice to meet you.
And she's coming to a room near you.
Betty has been roaming the hallways here at the Orlando Health Cancer Center for the last several months. And so far, she's seen a couple dozen patients.
Betty doesn't judge, right? And that's really the benefit of Betty, right?
Betty is still in her testing phase, but initial findings have shown that patients are more open to interacting with a bot when it comes to questions about their health. So by the time doctors or healthcare professionals walk in the room, Betty has taken care of some of the most basic questions. And in some cases, patients tend to be more truthful with her than a human.
There are a lot of patients that are sometimes ashamed, right, of some of the information that we ask them to share.
But don't worry, Betty is not here to take over jobs. Think of her as an extra pair of hands, or in this case, head that can help staff.
She's more an extra team member, basically, that will allow us to do things that currently we have a tough time getting done.
The University of Central Florida has been helping Orlando Health develop the technology, which will eventually look like this, visiting patients either in the waiting room or exam room.
Maybe a little bit R2-D2, a little bit Baymax, if you've seen Big Hero 6, too. So those were a few of the inspirations.
Both familiar robots that people connect with on the big screen and soon more commonly in the exam room. Reporting from Orlando Health, Raquel Asa, Channel 9 Eyewitness News.
Orlando Health leaders say they are looking at getting more Bettys next year to be tested and used in other parts of the hospital.
I think it's a great idea.
Yeah, I think so too.
Yeah, it's disarming, yet that person also, that robot, doesn't spread any germs or receive any germs as well. So it's
some other times too. I mean, that people are more comfortable talking to a robot than an actual person.
Absolutely. Cool story by Raquel tonight.